I'm Anthony, and this is Ray Small Big. Today we're going to make pizza croissants. Let's get started. Mozzarella cheese, marinara sauce, croissants, pepperoni, and garlic dip. First things first, we're going to get started by ripping this open and banging it on the counter. Tap it hard. Make sure you take them out carefully because they tend to tear. There's a line down the side, and that's where you open them from. As you see, it got a tear in mine, but that's okay. Now we'll lay them out. If you have a small tray like mine, put them onto the side and we'll work with them later. Now that we got them laid out, we're going to put some pepperoni and some cheese. And then we're going to move on to the next one. Now go roll them up. Now that we're done with those, I'm going to take the extra ones and do them until the tray's full. You could always put different stuffings. What would you choose? I choose salami. Now that we got our tray ready, we're going to put some garlic dip on it and make it taste like Domino pizza. Now that we're done, we're going to pop them in the oven at 375 for 10 minutes. Make sure to have your parents do it. We plated some with our marinara sauce. Like and subscribe and watch our next video.